And we are live. What's going on, everybody? It's 2:30 Central Standard Time. We're live right now. We're going to be looking at the crypto market, stock market, see how things wrap up today. But we are live for the members inside the school, and we are live for channel members, right? And then what happens is, well, it'll go public later on, but you always get first crack at it in real time what's happening. So I like to do this every single day before the market closes. Take a look at what's moving, what's not moving. More importantly, see if I can get any opportunities, right? To make some money. Sit back, relax. What's up, Mike? What's up, Mark? What's happening? Jeff, John, Rafa, all you guys out there in the university. All right, so let's take a look at the stock market first. You know, it's one of the things that I think I titled this episode, which one will make you richer faster, stock market or crypto market? So I got some thoughts on that. Number one, let's just make sure we're live. All right, I have been in the financial industry for 27 years. I got into the financial industry in 1997. Wait. So more than that, right? 1997. So shit, 31 years. Something like that. I don't know. No, 37. Long time. And I had all my securities license, 663, 65, all that good stuff. So I've been in the market. Now I got in the crypto market in November of 2017. So about 7 years. So S&P right now is 36. And again, through my experience of being in the financial markets and the crypto market, you know, we'll talk about which one's going to make you rich faster. 37 points. Look what's happening right now at the S&P 500. Bam, we are breaking out right now. So I love breakouts. I talk a lot about breakouts on this channel. Breakouts are giving you evidence that the institutions or big boys are coming in. That's when you want to take action on these breakouts around these key levels. So you see we're getting a buy signal. So this bad boy is pumping up 36. There's still 30 minutes left before the market closes, but it is looking really strong. Really strong. Russell 2000. Russell 2000's up a little bit. You can see it's chopping around. Let me bring over this platform. When I take a look at the stock market, I like to look at it with this platform right here. This is Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab. Dow Jones is up over 400 today. So nice, big, strong move for the Dow Jones, 42,794. NASDAQ is up 148. Nice, strong move. We are getting a bearish cluster, but I really like this move in the NASDAQ. Powerful move today. And we just talked about the S&P 500 up 37. Silver's up a little bit. Again, it's came down on our support level. It's been weak over the last several days, but it is up today. And then the Russell 2000's up a little bit right now. 2 points. We'll see how this bad boy closes, but oil's down. Gold's down too. Gold's down 8. So gold has been kind of just slowly bleeding off. But I'm going to put this back over here on this other screen. And I like to, so I've been trading for a long time, 17 years, right? And I like to trade in the morning. Give you my favorite times. I trade in the morning. You know, right, Mike? Yeah, you're here every day. So we day trade the S&P 500 every single day. I do it live. I do it in the university for members. And yeah, Mark, I get you, brother. I get you. And then I swing trade options. All this in the morning. Okay, I swing trade options. And then at the end of the day, between that 2:30, 3 o'clock, that's why I really like to take a look at some of the stocks and crypto that I'm watching. See if I can get any good entries. Right? Yeah, Rafa. So as far as the stock market, the crypto market, which one's going to make you rich faster? I personally believe the crypto market's going to do that, at least right now. Okay, I mean, I've been in the stock market a long time, and in order to get rich, I mean, you're looking at 20 years plus. I mean, you got to put your money away, mutual funds, longer term stuff, and then variable annuities, and let it grow. About 20 years plus. But with the crypto market, I mean, you're talking about 4-year cycles. So you can get rich, or, again, everybody's got a different definition of rich, but 3 to 4 years. So there's no doubt in my mind, after being in the financial industry for 27 years, that the crypto market will do it. Now, it's been a while. Well, I say it's been a while, but not 2021, and that wasn't too long ago. That was 3 years ago, and this bad boy popped. So, to be honest with you, crypto market is the way to go. Look at that. We're popping out right now in the short term. Market's up 41. I like it. We have a private group. And let me just type in that group. All right. So this is our private group. We got a futures trading room. We got our options elite room for anybody that's part of the university. Constantly posting stuff every day about what's going on, looking for opportunities. So let's keep rolling. We know the market's up. Russell's up right now a little bit. Market just broke to that high. So we'll see if it can maintain that strength. So right here, this is the 3-minute chart. So I day trade the ES. This is what we look at every day. For those of you that jump on board, I know y'all here, inside the school, you know what we do, right? We do it every day. We got a course that goes with the program. For those of you that are channel members, you watch us. You may not understand the rules, but look at this bad boy popping right now of 42. I like it. All right, now let's get into some other stuff. Let's go ahead and sort really quick and see what's moving today. All right, so Dogecoin. Dogecoin's up a little bit, 1.28%. We'll get to Bitcoin and all that stuff, but Dogecoin right now is, let me bring this over here. So they're sandwiched between 2 key levels. Y'all know I talk about this a lot. I'm about to do a lot of videos on this, showing you exactly how I trade the crypto market. And again, I've been trading the crypto market for 7 years, been trading for 17 total. But you got our key levels. Right now, we're in no man's land. This is not where you want to take shots. You want to take shots at key levels, or when you're breaking through, okay? When you're breaking through key levels or pulling back. So it's breakouts and bounces. Right now, Doge is up. Look at the Dow Jones just pumping. 400. Wow. What's interesting is you've got the S&P 500 up, the Dow Jones is up, and let's just go right to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down. And not only is Bitcoin down, Bitcoin's down over 1,000 points. So it's taking a beating. There's a lot of people out there on X, and they're constantly talking about how, hey, the stock market's correlated with crypto. Well, let me tell you something. The market's up big, and the crypto market, or at least Bitcoin, is down big. Bitcoin's getting busted up. Big old red candle, right? So we're in no man's land. 61,000. 61,000. I like Tron. Let's go take a look at Tron. Again, Tron just recently had a breakout. This is very interesting. I've got a lot of Tron. Over 250,000, over 250,000 plus Tron. And we are, I don't know that all-time high. We talked about it the other day. Let me back it off here. Let's just go to the month. All right, I'm going to draw. There it is right there. That's that all-time high, baby. Man, I thought Tron was dead in the fucking water. I bought Tron when it was like less than a penny. So this is looking good. Come on, baby. Get to that all-time high, break through it. But again, in the short term, we are getting a breakout. So I like it. If you're going to trade these breakouts, you want to trade the breakout candle. Okay? I've got videos on this channel how to do that. I'm going to be posting a lot more. A lot more. So when this bad boy broke out, which is like right now, look right there, it just shattered through this resistance area. It's the 30-minute chart. Now, I do want to point this out. This is what I'm looking for. People ask me all the time. I know, John, I know. You constantly ask me about these reversals, things, but take a look at this. So here you go. On the 30-minute time frame, we came down. I always talked about look for these moving averages to cross. That's a huge indication. So the moving averages crossed, and then we started that uptrend. Then you start looking for these squeezes. Pop, right? Squeeze. Look at this. Pop. So just take a look at it. Right here. Squeeze. Squeeze. It's telling you. Big move. Squeeze. Big move. After you get these breakouts, bam, there you go again. Squeeze. That's the time you can position. If you're trying to catch it in trend, this is the time that you can build your position ahead of the pop. Okay? I'm going to do a lot of videos how I trade it. But anyway, this is where you get excited, and down here. Tron's up. Tron's up. And again, I'm looking at my watch list, see if I see any entries. I love taking trades at the end of the day. Okay, NVIDIA, we won't look at much stocks, but NVIDIA broke out its pause. And let's just go look at the crypto. XRP. XRP, 52 cents and doing nothing. Okay, nothing. Now, when you're talking about getting rich, which one easier? Again, it's the crypto market, in my opinion. I mean, I would much rather wait 3 to 4 years than 20 plus. Okay, I mean, people start, and actually sometimes 40, right? We would teach our clients, hey, you want to start investing when you're around, you get that first job between 20 and 25, start putting away, even if it's $100 a month or $250 a month away, and then let it compound. And then when you retire 40 years later, you'll be a millionaire. It's very easy. Every single person, everybody, especially in your 20s, if you start putting away even as low as $100 a month and you're consistent, you'll be a millionaire, no doubt. I know. I've been doing this for a long time. You could put $250 a month away for 10 years and then stop and let it compound, and you'll be a millionaire plus at age 65. But again, that's a long ass time, right? Shit. XRP's at 58 cents is doing nothing. Nothing. Coinbase is down today. XLM, I like XLM, but look at that. Just kind of bleeding off in between key levels. Doing nothing. And again, I'm looking over at that screen, because again, I've got this pulled up on my other screen. I'm watching my watch list, right? I teach a concept. It's called At the Gates. And this is where you're really focusing on your list that you're willing to trade. If I can see an entry signal, I'm going to take it live right now. Remember, we go live for university students and channel members, right? Again, Andy, yeah, I hear you, brother. I hear you. Crypto market hasn't been doing much. XRP is getting whooped. So I hear you, brother. But yeah, we are live in the university. We do live coaching classes for people in the school where I teach them futures day trading, options swing trading, and then crypto investing or trading, whatever they want to do. XLM, 8 cents, flopping around like nothing. Look at Ethereum, right? Ethereum sitting right on top of this key level. We had that bearish pin bar we talked about yesterday, right? Bearish pin bar, shooting star, kind of just chopping around. If we take a look at it on a smaller time frame, let me go look at it over here, right? You can see we're just chopping around this, but Ethereum, you can see this. We just got that cross moving averages to the downside. We're stacked. So this could lead us to a waterfall, at least down to this next key area of 2,300. So right there, right? We've been chopping around sideways at this, but we've crossed, we're working down. So Ethereum has a lot of down pressure, and it looks to me like we're going to drop down to around that 2,300, right? Okay, it just all depends on how we react right here. If this rolls over in no man's land, you know, we look to take shots at these key levels, either break of a key level or pulling back into a key level. And then we look for reversal signs. If you're going to trade it, don't do it right this second unless you're going to be looking to trade to the downside. 2,415. S&P's up 38. Still going. Litecoin, same thing. A lot of these are in the middle except Tron. Tron's the only one that looks like it's breaking out. I haven't went through all of them yet, but Litecoin's down 1.33%. And a lot of these crypto market, that's what they do, right? They chop, okay, they just go sideways for years. Well, I say years, a couple years, right? Because whenever the bull run comes, it's quick. You only got a couple months to take your money. We're going to be doing it, trust me. I'm going to be, yes, John, when that happens, we're going to be doing it live. You better believe it. We're going to be selling. I'm going to be selling everything. You can always get back in. I'm going to do it live. We'll talk about it in the school. Absolutely. Wando, yes. Yes, yes, yes. We will do that in the school for sure. When that happens, you got to react. So you can get rich quick, but you can also watch it go up and then watch it go down in the blink of an eye. All right, so we're trapped in the range. Shiba, again, just looking for opportunities. A lot of these right now, Shiba is just channeling sideways. Again, we have our key levels. Anything in the middle is noise. As new key levels develop, we'll talk about it. I talk about how to draw key levels. How to draw key levels in the crypto market. It's a little bit different than how I draw key levels in the stock market. Very important. We take breakouts off of key levels, bounces off of key levels. And that can be the upside or downside. It can be a breakthrough to the downside. It can be a pullback. It can be a breakthrough, pullback. So that's what we do. But again, as new key levels develop, we pay attention. Polkadot 4. See, Polkadot is coming down into this key level. You can see, just like Ethereum, right? Stacked moving averages to the downside, bleeding off. Momentum is coming out. But when we come down into this key level, we're going to be looking for reversal signs. So if you are a trader or a short-term investor, okay, there's a key level right there. I just drew it right now, 427. So your levels are 427 and 397. Right now, we're anticipating it coming down into that. It's either going to hold it or it's going to break. I'm not going to do anything in the middle. But as it comes down, that's where I'm looking. Yeah, Andy, I'm watching that. I'm watching that for sure. Marco! What's up, Marco? Cardano. Same thing, right? You can come over here. Draw our key level. Just bleeding off. Okay, bleeding off. That's our key levels there. We even got another one right underneath it. So this is kind of that zoner area. Still in the middle. Algorand. We're going to look at Bitcoin. Solana, 140. All right. Show some new levels right here, right? Cardano, here's its major levels right this second. 152.15. 133.15. That's where I'm at. Market's up 40. So we'll see how this S&P, we'll take a look at them. And again, I'm looking for opportunities. If I see an opportunity, I like to trade options, right? Y'all know we do it live. Today, I think I had the video coming out. It was live today for members and students, but I think it goes live at 3 o'clock, right? So today at 10 minutes, I think it goes live. I think so, for everybody. Option swing trading. So if you want to learn about option swing trading, how to leverage stocks to make money, check out that for sure. All right, Matic. I like looking at Matic. There you go. Look where Matic's at right now. So what I want to do is Matic is coming into this key level. So we go take a look at Matic. See, look, bleeding off, right? Again, I'm going to be looking for reversals. I'm going to be talking about it. But right now, we're bleeding off. Matic could drop down into that 36. We'll be looking for reversal signs at the key level. Breakouts, bounces, reversals. A lot of y'all don't short. I know, Jeff, you don't short crypto. A lot of people don't short crypto. I don't either, man. I just buy, right? When I think it's, well, not I think. When there's evidence that it's bouncing off a key level or breaking through, I buy. Chainlink, down 2.35%. Everything's down. How? The market. The market is up big. And the crypto market is bleeding. That's crazy. Coming down there, H-bar, same thing, working its way down. Stacked moving out. H-bar doesn't have much volume. I probably wouldn't trade H-bar. Ondo, there we go. So Ondo right now is sitting right on top of a major key level. You can see, though, we're still bleeding out. Stacked moving averages to the downside. There's absolutely no evidence that Mondo is ready to reverse. Like right here, look what happened. Let's go back in time. This is what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to be talking about it. Go into a squeeze at this key level. That moving averages cross, and bam, that's it. And then look at that. Now, you did have this little hiccup here, but it found that higher low and just took off to the upside, worked its way up. That's what I'm going to be looking for, right? Kind of that chopping around, go in the squeeze, cross, and that's where we take a shot. That's where we trade these key levels. If it breaks through, then the next key level is down there. Right now, we're sandwiched between those two. Let's kind of go back up here. Again, I'm loving Tron. Tron's my favorite right now. Again, now it's in this zone, working its way up there. It's just blowing my mind. S&P 500 is up so big, right? S&P 500 is up 43. If we look at the smaller time frames, it just channeled for a while and then it popped. It's up so big. Everything, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, Russell 2000, Bitcoin, XRP. XRP is not as bad as Bitcoin today. If you see here, actually, the number one thing on my board is XRP versus Bitcoin. But we have those stack moving averages to the downside. This is a bear flag. So this is that relief pop. It's pretty much what it looks like. So right this second, XRP stronger, but as of late, Bitcoin has been stronger. If you trade this pair, if you don't, it's up to you. Doge, believe it or not, but Doge ain't doing it. There's not really nothing except Tron. There's not really nothing. But answering that question, Rafa, right? Which one will make you richer the fastest? Stock market, crypto market. Now, there are people that can trade just the stock market and get rich pretty quick. Day trading, right? That's why we day trade. You can day trade the stock market. You can make a lot of money. You can also do things like, naked strangles, iron condors, different things, selling strategies. You can sell naked puts, do cover calls. So You can get rich in the stock market if you know what you're doing and you don't have to wait 20 years. But still, in my opinion, when it comes to getting rich faster, the crypto market. And I believe that's going to happen here pretty soon. We're October 2024. I believe that they're still waiting for this election, depending on which side wins. And we know which side is against crypto, period. We know that. There's one side that's clearly against crypto, and the other side is for it. So as long as we get the right party in office, the right ones, hint, hint, not the current ones, we're going to be okay. I anticipate this market exploding if that happens. If we wake up in the morning and Trump wins, I think this crypto market's going to be going nuts. That's, my opinion, the catalyst that we're going to need to really set this bad boy over the top. And we're also going to need Bitcoin to stop messing around. Okay? You know, Bitcoin has this double top that happened over here. I was talking about that double top, which is a reversal pattern, right? It went up, boom. You can draw that. Found it. I talked about that the whole time. Those double tops are reversals. That's way up here in like the 70. Actually, shit, that's one of them. You got, you know, way up here. We got to get through that all-time high first. But as of right now, I just don't see that happening. I don't see that happening. Market's up 42. Looks like it's going to finish off popping. We'll see what happens. Crypto market sucks. I'll probably do a video in the morning. And yeah, John, Andy, Rafa, Wando, Marco, Mark. We'll just keep it playing by ear. We're going to day trade in the morning, right? I'll probably day trade. Well, not probably. I'm going to day trade live for channel members and obviously the university students for sure. We're going to do that tomorrow. We're going to day trade the S&P 500. We're going to do option trading. We'll reevaluate this crypto market and all that good stuff. All right. That's how we do it. We'll see y'all later. See you tomorrow for the futures day trading. If you're not subscribed to the channel, do so. Oh, you guys, we're live right now. All y'all are pretty much subscribed. But if you're watching this after the fact, you want to get notifications when we trade. I do it all the time, man. I've been doing it a long time. The goal this year is to make several $1 million. And we trade it every day. All right. Peace.